Choosing the right organic soil is one of the most important steps in growing strong, healthy plants. Get it wrong, and you'll struggle with weak growth and deficiencies. But don't worry, I got you. I'll show you exactly what to look for in a soil mix, what to avoid, and even how to mix your own organic super soil so you can grow top-tier plants with minimal effort. What makes a good organic soil? A good organic soil does more than just hold your plant. It feeds it naturally. Here's what to look for. You want a light and fluffy texture. Your roots need oxygen to thrive. Avoid compacted soil. You want something that's rich in organic matter. Compost, worm castings, and humus provide essential nutrients. Good drainage and water retention. The right balance prevents overwatering and drying out. And you want a living soil with microbial life. Beneficial bacteria and fungi break down nutrients for your plant. Common types of organic soil and which to avoid. There are a ton of soil options out there, but not all of them are great for cannabis. Avoid cheap garden soils. They're too dense and they have poor drainage. Avoid soils with synthetic fertilizers because they disrupt microbial life. And avoid overly woody mixes. Excess bark can lock up nitrogen. Now, your best choices. You want to look for super soils because they're fully amended and packed with nutrients and require no bottled feeding. You want to look for a living soil. It supports microbial life for long-term plant health. And another option is to do it yourself. This is a great option for growers who want full control, and I'll show you how to do that next. Do-it-yourself super soil recipe. If you want total control over your soil, mixing your own is the way to go. This recipe will give your plants everything they need from seed to smoke. Base ingredients. They're about 60%, and these hold moisture and provide structure. Peat moss and cocoa retain water while staying light. Compost or worm castings provide organic nutrients and microbes, while perlite or pumice or rice hulls prevents soil compaction. Nutrient amendments will be about 40%, and these feed your plants naturally. Kelp meal is rich in micronutrients and plant hormones. Alfalfa meal boosts nitrogen and microbial life. Neem or karanja meal helps prevent pests while adding nutrients. Crustacean meal is a great source of calcium and chitin. Rock dust provides trace minerals. Gypsum or oyster shell flour balances pH and adds calcium. After mixing, moisten the soil lightly and let it cook for 2 to 4 weeks. This gives microbes time to break down nutrients and create a living, thriving soil for your plants. Testing and adjusting your soil. Even if you mix your own soil, it's always smart to test before planting. Here's how. First, check pH levels. The ideal range for cannabis is 6.0 to 6.8. Test drainage. Water should absorb easily without pooling. And aerate if needed. If the soil feels too heavy, add more perlite or rice hulls. If you're short on time, you can buy a pre-made soil and top dress with worm castings or compost throughout the grow to keep your plants thriving. Choosing the right organic soil is one of the easiest ways to set yourself up for success in your grow. Whether you buy a quality living soil or mix your own super soil, you'll avoid nutrient issues and grow healthier, more resilient plants. That's everything you need to know about choosing and mixing organic soil for indoor cannabis. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more hands-on grow tips. What's your favorite soil mix? Have you tried mixing your own? Let me know. And remember, don't stop putting that work in. The seeds of today are the flowers of tomorrow. Class dismissed.